I just love watching TV with my phone on. Boy, this is the best day ever. JC, Carl is not your father. I knew it. Hey, Terrance, and oh my gosh! Do my eyes deceive me? A high-definition TV? A smartphone? Terrance, what are you doing? I'm just enjoying the world of technology. Did you know that technology while standing and watching TV on your phone damage your back? What do you mean? Look, you're slouching. Oh my gosh, you're right. I am slouching. That feels better. You, my friend, need nature. What is nature? Well, nature is the source of everything cool. Like your TV, your smartphone, even the hat you're wearing right now. Oh, really? Yep. Hey, you want me to share a old family tale? This is Grandpa Fluffy Pants always say. Nature doesn't need people, people need nature. That's not true. Oh, yes it does. And I'm going to show you all about it. Let's go outside the city. But first, I have to throw away all that technology of yours, including your phone. Don't worry, buddy. I'll push all this stuff away. Alright, it's gone forever. No! Yes! And you better take a walking stick, but it'll do a lot of walking. Whoa, how you get this walking stick? Magic. Now to the forest. 2 hours later. That took a long time. All that matters is we're here. Just we need to wait on our tour guide. Wait, where is our tour guide? I am your tour guide. Spider-Man, you work at the National Fricalahan's Forest Park out. You bet your top dollar. Now I'm supposed to be showing you everything about Fricalahan National Park. Follow me, guys. Everything is just A-okay. Yep, everything is A-okay, 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 okay. Guys, wait up! Remember, I have short legs. For our first exhibit, we will see the Fricalahan riverbank. It looks like a gutter. But what happened to the river? It didn't look like this 20 years ago. You've been around 20 years ago? I know, right? What happened? Oh no! They're dumping sewage into the water, making it really gross and stinky. Ew. This is unfair! I'm sorry, but there's nothing we could do about it. Let's just move on to the next exhibit. Okay. Now we can gaze at the large amount of trees. What am I supposed to be looking at? A large amount of trees? What happened about the trees? I think the government must have cut them down. Oh well, sorry guys, maybe next time. This is not fair! Why is people ruining the rainforest? I don't know, Fluffykins. Let's just meet our next exhibit. It'll be just as good. Okay. For our final exhibit, we see Bruno the giant dog. My God, that's really big. Now that's going in my scrapbook. Hey, Lego Terrance, you want to feed him? Wait, feed that thing? Yeah, you wanna feed it? Here's the food. Okay, I'm missing something else. Okay, I'm ready to shoot this thing down if it tries to kill me. Come on, Lego Terrance, you don't have to do that. You have to trust it for it to trust you. Fine. Okay. If I die, stay away from my funeral. Oh well, here we go. Alright, now I'm gonna feed this beast. Oh! 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 Dude, are you okay? Oh. Hey, so Terrance, how do you like nature so far? It stinks. This is the third time I'm on primetime precedent. This is amazing. I have to go tell my friends about it. Subscribe.